Alright, I'm going to go over how to import the live preview data. It's just kind of a quick start way to get started on the theme. So, um, you'll notice in your download that you actually have a live preview XML file, and that's what we're going to use to import the data. So let's go ahead and go to our dashboard, and I'll show you how to do that. So we're going to go under Tools and Import, and it's a WordPress site, so we're going to select a WordPress importer. And if you haven't used it before, you'll get prompted. It's just saying this is a plugin. Do you want to install the plugin? You say yes, install now. And then you can just activate and run the importer. If you kind of mess up and click off of it, you can always come back to your installed plugins and you'll see it listed. And then you can activate it that way. So once it's activated, we're actually going to do the same steps again. Tools, Import, and WordPress, except for this time we make it through. And we will want to choose a file from our computer. So once we've located your download, you'll look inside the live preview XML file. We're going to choose that, and we'll upload the file and import. Now, it'll give you a couple options. This first one's pretty basic. It's just what author do you want to assign to the post. The important thing is import attachments. You want to select that, and this just means you want to upload the images that are attached as well. And there's just a few. It's a really small download. So once we've done that, we can click Submit, and it really shouldn't take very long. We try to keep the import file real low, and then you'll notice all done. Have fun. So it's a little deceiving. We're not done yet. If you view the site, not much has changed. We need to do a couple steps. So the first things first is we need to set our home page, and that's under Settings and Reading. So under Front Page Displays, we click a static page, and we're going to select our home page. And I labeled it nice for you. It's just called Homepage-Recent Videos. So we'll save those changes. Now when we refresh our home page, it's starting to look a little bit closer. Not quite there yet. A couple things we're missing are our navigation. So let's go ahead and go into Appearance and Menus. And you'll notice we've actually created them for you. You just have to select them under Theme Locations. So under Primary, we're going to select Main Navigation. Top Header, we'll select Top Header Navigation. Footer is Footer Navigation, so we'll save that. Now let's refresh, and it's starting to get a little closer. We got our pages listed, all sorts of stuff. Then the next thing to go over is our home page. And let's go ahead and go under Pages, and we'll edit our home page. And you just have to select a couple of these options. The first one's Slider Category. And all we need to do is click the drop down and click Slider. And that's just saying our slider wants to pull in the slider category. It's pretty simple. So we'll update that. And now when we refresh the page, it's really close. We're starting to look pretty good. So you have a couple post examples. You have some category templates. You have our contact us, our short codes, all this good stuff in there. And you can just play around with these examples and see how they're generated. You'll notice not all the content's been uploaded, and that's just because you're going to have to remove this content anyway, so we didn't want to upload, 60 posts for you to remove. But you'll notice we labeled them really nice. So for example, when you're visiting the page, you can have a video example, a gallery example, and a default post example. Or you can have a video embed example. Anyways, play around with the site and add and remove content as you need.